Hey, what's up everybody? Just gonna do a quick video because I got a W on the sneakers app for the first time ever. I've always had the sneakers app when it first came out and I've never won once. So this time I actually won one. So I wanted to originally do a unboxing and everything just the way I normally do my videos. I would always like wait to get better lighting and everything, but so I got my box in and I just want to see what you guys think about it. So got my box in. It came from FedEx as far as it goes, but this is the weird part, and I don't know if this is the sketch part to it. So I got it, but the bottom was like open like this. So I don't know if somebody was either kind of looking into the box to see if it was worth getting or anything like that, but that's how it came. So let me know what you guys think about it, because that would kind of suck to me. Like this pair of shoes are maybe worth getting, but yeah, this to me was kind of sketch. It was like kind of pulled up like that, so you could definitely see what kind of shoes were in there, but I don't know. Should I go through like FedEx to see what's up? But yeah, I'm gonna unbox it just to make sure that it's the right thing. But that's what happened to my box for my first W from sneakers. So let's open it. Okay, so it looks like it is my pair of shoes that I ordered from sneakers. Nice little mat with the gloss with the Nike logo embossed on there. And so it is the Nike Dunk Fragment on here. Pretty dope colorway. I originally was wanting to get the Laker one. It's like really similar in terms of color, except the swoosh is yellow. And then of course it had the Nike in the Laker font, which I really wanted to get, but of course I took an L on that, as you can kind of tell. But these are the Fragment Dunks. Colorway is really dope. Reason why I wanted to get the Nike the Laker Dunk one was mainly because I have the Laker jersey, so it would have gone really well with it, but this purple and black also goes really well with that jersey too. Here's that logo right here. And then I really like this little font stuff on here. Oops, if you can kind of get in there. There you go. Cool touch. It reminds me of Off-Whites with the text on the sole. Of course, you have your Nike on the tongue. And such a clean colorway, I think. I kind of wish that these were lows, but I'll still take it. These are pretty dope shoes. I know the purple is a little bit off compared to it. It's more of like a plum, I want to say. But I'll rock this with my LeBron. And sad to say, this is already a throwback. He just changed his number to number 6. But yeah, this is my authentic LeBron jersey that I'm gonna usually wear with these guys. But overall, pretty sick shoe. Really clean kicks to add to my Dunk collection. So glad to know that my stuff didn't get jacked. And yeah, I don't know. What'd you guys think about the box? Just let me know. But those are my Fragment Dunks, which I'm happy to finally have won on sneakers. So nice pair of shoes. I'll have some other videos coming up pretty soon, so just keep on the lookout, alright? Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.